it's your favorite hustler back again with part 5 of this video, man. We're going to get into it. We're going to get started and we're going to get this done. What I have right here for you guys is just a list of things to get my job done. Once again, got my 3-inch sander like that. I have an orange buffing pad, of course, that will be for the compound. Look, done my rim caps too, just with the wheel cleaner. Just wanted to show that. Got a light. Okay, so let's just start from the beginning. Sanding. This 150 grade is supposed to take the pitting off. And then from there, I just go up all the way until I get to 1,000 grit. When I buff, I'll be buffing with this Ultra Cut compound to get scratches and things like that out. Now, that will go after the sanding. So by the time I hit 1,500 grit sandpaper, I should barely have any scratches, and this should take out the rest. When I polish, though, I'll be polishing with this aluminum polish, like I said. Now, this is my rim, what it looks like while I'm wet sanding it. I just got done with 220. I did 150 and 220. It will get ugly before it gets better. Like I said on my checklist, you could start off with 600, but I wanted to make sure these pittings were all the way gone, so I went ahead and went all the way down to 150. Then I'm going to bring it up from there. So we'll see what happens as those pittings get littler and eventually disappear. Look at this, y'all. I'm hot, man. I gotta sit here and I gotta turn around and turn this green. Look, these other two wheels are looking damn near immaculate, but because my worst wheel, I can't get that right. I have to paint these. Like I said, I'll just be painting this inner ring green to match my car, keeping this chrome lip and keeping this chrome 12-point star. But yeah, got 2 out of the 3 wheels sanded. Just talked to the machine shop. They said they'll be done somewhere around next week, so it gives me some time to get these right. On the 3rd one now, haven't even started sanding it yet, but I'll be sanding that next. Remember, like I was saying, the motion is up and down, all the way around from where you're sanding. And then when you get the buffing, you would come in this way when you buff with the creams and whatever you're using. And then when you get to polish, you polish here again. Now, I won't be doing no buffing, of course, because I'm painting, so it'll be sanding, painting, and then after I paint it, then if I want to, for a smooth finish, I can wet sand it, but pretty much the paint should be laid so good that I shouldn't even have to do that, but just in case I will. I'll show you that paint here in a minute. I'm thinking about if I should even show it on here or not. I probably won't. So I end up getting my rims done being sanded. 180 grit just because I wanted to take them all the way down. Like I said, if you go on paint, you can start with 320. If you just looking to buff them, start with 600 wet sand. I wouldn't even recommend wet sand. I say 600 dry sand, because wet sand would brought that one rim to that red, most of it. Since I went ahead and I'm painting them, I figured I might as well repair this lip right here too. It was low because it looked like it had been hit. I'm pretty sure you can take the tire off and bend it, but also another way that people help with dents and bends is you can spot putty over it. I'll let this dry, I'll sand this down, and then this will be ready.